Il fait un temps magnifique. It's a beautiful day. Bonjour à tous, j'espère que vous allez bien. In this video, we are going to describe the weather using pronominal verbs, expressions, how to mix sections, and how to use negative sentences. So let's start. First, let's see how to describe the weather with the help of pronominal verbs. And if you do not know what a pronominal verb is, it is a verb that describes an action done and received by the same person. Pronominal verbs always have se or s apostrophe in front of their infinitive. So here we consider the weather is both doing and receiving the action. So let's see a list of verbs. Le temps s'éclaircit. The weather is clearing up. Le temps s'améliore. The weather is brightening up. Le temps se couvre. The weather is clouding over. And le temps se rafraîchit. The weather is getting chilly. If you find using that section difficult, you can use il fait followed by an adjective and the word maintenant, now. So for example, instead of saying le temps se rafraîchit, I can say il fait froid maintenant. Or, instead of saying le temps se couvre, I can say il fait nuageux maintenant. Now, let's see some expressions using il fait un temps to describe the weather. Il fait un temps magnifique. It's a beautiful day. Il fait un temps affreux. It's an awful day. Il fait un temps pourri. It's a rotten day or an awful day. Il fait un temps couvert. It's overcast. Il fait un temps de saison. It is a typical day for the season. Il fait un temps épouvantable. It's a horrible day. Il fait un temps de chien. It's a dreadful day. Il fait un temps superbe. It's a beautiful day. Note that il fait un temps de chien translates as it is a dog day. Il fait un temps pourri and il fait un temps de chien are informal expressions. Usually, if you use one of these expressions to describe the weather, nothing else needs to be added. But we can use the word mais to mean but if needed. For example, I can say il fait un temps magnifique, mais il y a du vent. That leads us to mixing sections to describe the weather. In the past lessons, we have seen the following sections. Il fait, verbs, il y a. And now we've seen pronominal verbs and expressions with il fait un temps. When we describe the weather, we will of course mix sections together. So I could say il fait chaud, mais il y a du vent. Il fait nuageux, froid, il pleut et il y a du vent. Il y a des éclairs et du tonnerre et il fait très froid. Now let's see how to form negative sentences to describe the weather. But before, it is important to know that in French, the negation is in two parts, ne and the other one, pas. Ne is always placed before the conjugated verb and pas just after it. So for the section il fait, some of the sentences we saw are il fait beau, il fait chaud, il fait froid. Fait is the conjugated verb, so to turn this section into negation, we would say il ne fait pas beau, il ne fait pas chaud, or il ne fait pas froid. For the section with the verbs, some of the ones we saw are il pleut, il neige. So pleut and neige are the conjugated verbs, so to turn this section into a negation, I would say il ne pleut pas or il ne neige pas. For the section il y a, some of the sentences we saw are il y a du vent, il y a du brouillard, il y a de l'orage. A is the conjugated verb, but because the pronoun y is used in front of it, the negation of il y a is il n'y a pas and not il y n'a pas. On top of that, to use this section with the negation, we must turn the articles du, de la, de l'apostrophe and de into de or the apostrophe. So I will say il n'y a pas de vent and not il n'y a pas du vent. Il n'y a pas de brouillard and not il n'y a pas du brouillard. Or, il n'y a pas d'orage and not il n'y a pas de l'orage. For the section with pronominal verbs, some of the sentences we saw are le temps s'améliore, le temps se couvre, le temps se rafraîchit. The verbs are s'améliore, se couvre, and se rafraîchit. So, to turn this section into a negation, I would say le temps ne s'améliore pas, le temps ne se couvre pas, le temps ne se rafraîchit pas. And for the section with il fait un temps, some of the sentences we saw are il fait un temps superbe, il fait un temps magnifique, il fait un temps de chien. Fait is the verb, so in the negation, I will say il ne fait pas un temps superbe, il ne fait pas un temps magnifique, il ne fait pas un temps de chien. So when we describe the weather, we can of course use affirmative and negative sentences. So I could say il fait beau, mais il ne fait pas chaud. Il pleut, il fait froid, mais il n'y a pas de vent. Or, il y a du vent, du tonnerre, mais il n'y a pas d'éclair. That's it for the second lesson on describing the weather. I hope you have enjoyed it. À bientôt.